Ang HPV po kasi ay isang virus na 99% causing cervical cancer. So if you get the vaccination at an age where there is
Vaccine.
no sexual contact, dapat hindi ka magkakaroon ng cervical cancer in the future. Human papilloma virus, cervical CA. Yung pong HPV, it's actually part already of the vaccination protocol for children 9 years and above. For females, kasi the idea there is, kung ibibigay niyo po yung vaccination sa ganong edad, so it's going to be preventive. So ibig sabihin, hindi sila dapat magkakaroon ng HPV. Although, the drawback there is, oil-based po kasi yung injection. Sa batang 9-year-old, medyo masakit siya i-administer because that's supposed to be given in 3 doses. That's going to be completed sa 6 na buwan po. So una, halimbawa ngayon ka kukuha, next dose would be another 2 months and then you complete the last dose in 6 months time. Yung tanong kung pwede siya sa perimenopausal, actually ideally dapat pwede pa din kasi aside from cervical, studies show that there is also an effect in ovarian and endometrial cancer. Although, sa cervical po kasi, since ang perimenopausal, mga sexually active, you already have an exposure to sexual contact. So whatever exposure you had regarding yung exposure sa possibility ng infection, hindi kanya ipoprotect doon. Ang protection na niya is your possible exposure in the future.